Ninjani?
Ninjani ma'am.
I'm trying to appeal as a time, Come to 2026 Unigrade, first class. And why are you like this?
Oh, ma'am, ngikutheni?
Huh? I'm sure we are naive.
No, ma'am, he doesn't listen.
I'm the one who's talking here. I'm the teacher here.
Yo.
Open this and close this.
Yeah.
Now, I want to ask you about this college. And I want all of you to answer. Okay?
Yeah, pendula, ma'am.
First question is, how many full-time courses are available at Unigrade College?
I think Janet answer later, ma'am. Ooh, I wasn't here from 1975.
You don't have to do that. You do like this. Then I saw that you want to talk. How many courses? That's what I was asking.
Maybe it's 2,000 or 3,000.
Guys, can you name 5 of the courses that we have here?
Yes,
Aniba?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I think it's business management, IT, hotel and tourism, wildlife, music and sound.
Wow!
Wait, ma'am, there's also another one. It's graphic design.
Wow! Did you see? Oh, did you hear?
Teacher's pet, Lena.
Okay. I want to make up. Get off that phone and stop playing with that nonsense.
Yes, ma'am. Tell him, ma'am.
How many years did Unigrade College win #1 tertiary institution, Mbombela?
Ma'am, I'm what? Okay, let's see, maybe it's 2,000 years.
Please, Sipo, how many times did I call you? The answer is 7 times. Unigrade College offers market-related qualifications which are relevant locally and internationally. True or false? Sipo.
Hi, ma'am, look, she's throwing the paper at me, ma'am.
Talking to you, true or false?
Oh, ma'am. Yeah, it's very true, I think.
Wow! Does Unigrade College offer free career portfolio assessments?
Ma'am, I think I know the answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is yes.
Thank you. Unigrade College team combined experience in education amounts to more than how many years?
200.
The answer is more than 150 years. Guys, now you know why Unigrade College is #1 tertiary institution in Mbombela. Ciao.
So I am.